poppin'? Yo, boy, playboysrt here. Listen though, we back with another POV today. This time we doing it at 9 in the morning. The last one did good. I'm so surprised because I don't have even 100 supporters. Because we're all supporters. My crappy Mustang. That is the ugliest car in the world, bro. I hate those with a passion, bro. But look though, we here. We about to get ready to get this POV popping, y'all, and give y'all some good content, man. So let's Psych Sport, baby. Let's start off good, man. Let's start this POV off good, PO. Oh my goodness. Yeah, baby. Oh my goodness, God. Listen, you ever get a Hellcat, you're gonna have so much fun, y'all. Whoa, 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 Truckee. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Big Daddy. Let me go ahead and shoot this over real quick, man. Guys, I don't know if the windows are like too loud with the air, but we're not gonna keep them up the whole video, I promise. Listen, we getting active in this POV, you feel your boy. Yeah, though, man. Y'all know how we do. You know, $7.97. You feel me? What you gonna do? Are you gonna get over? Oh my God! Get your ass over. Get your ass over. Slowing me down and shit. What? Red eye coming through. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, these cars are so much fun, y'all. Like, y'all imagine you're on the road, right? You're driving and somebody drives slow, you just hit the gas and go past them. That's like having FU speed, like, you feel me? Oh my goodness, boy. I never get tired of having a Hellcat, y'all. Never. I honestly, listen, I don't care about the gas. Man, we pushing this bad boy, man. That's how I'm coming. Pushing this thing. I don't care about none of that shit. Thought that was 12 right there. I'm about to say, oh, we cooked. I was about to say, we're cooked, brother. Oh my God, bro. Listen. Get one, y'all. Guys, these cars are so much fun. But also too, y'all, let me know if there's any type of angles or certain times y'all want the POVs in the comments. You know, I try not to talk through the video. Let this engine talk to y'all. You feel me? Hold on. Windows down, downshift. I'm gonna give y'all a downshift with the windows down. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Woo! Ooh, Poppy! Look at that. Y'all, there's like no better feeling. Uh-oh, tunnel. Got a tunnel right here. See? I see this tunnel. God. So also, y'all, the windows is down right now. I don't know how the sound gonna be with the wind blowing in. So I'll try. We're gonna see what happens. I just hear that whine. Yo, that whine is sexy like my butt cheeks, bro. All right, pause. Hold on. I didn't mean that, but y'all get the drip though. Come on, now get out my way. Come on, minivan. Sorry, it's in this sand in a way. You feel me? Jeez Louise. I'm gonna just cut this out the video. All these slow ass people no back. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, though. Look though, but if you ever in like the DMV area, Pennsylvania area, Virginia area, hit me up, gang. We were really, gang, listen, gang. We would ride out, gang. Oh my goodness. Gang, I'm telling y'all, listen, we would ride out for sure. I don't even cut. I make the drive. Listen, I know some people that drive 3-4 hours for some, you know what I'm saying, for some cat. Now, listen, I'll drive for a Mopar. You feel me? Easy peasy, you know? Easy like Sunday morning, gang. Easy like Sunday morning. So YouTube, man, we here today. We're at PNC Bank with the bag. So y'all know we got to get the money for Rex, man. Honestly, owning these red eyes, man, they're not expensive like that, but I kind of thought my warranty would have covered this, but my warranty didn't, so I got to come out of pocket a few racks. But it's okay. We're going to get it done here for sure. And this is why we work hard, we play hard, and that's why we save your money. Invest your money, save your money, because things like this, how you doing today? Save your money, guys, because these cars are expensive. I'm trying to tell you right now, save your money. Left the bank, getting gas, on our way to Wayne's. Let's go. So YouTube, we made it to Wayne's, man. The realest best mechanic ever. We're here, we're safe and sound. There goes the Jeep, and there goes the whip. Listen, both the cars in the back. So we here now, about to go pay Wayne and see the updates and give you guys. Mr. Wayne, what is going on today, sir? Here at Wayne's Garage, Wayne Enterprises. Guys, I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but I had to pay my guy. Oh, windows.
In here where they're supposed to be, they're not bent back out of the way.
Perfect. You guys, man. Yeah. One of the best to do it, man. So. This guy, Wayne, is the GOAT. I'm trying to tell you guys, man. He's the chosen one. I'm telling you. Wayne is the guy, man. Wayne's the man. Wayne, thank you so much.